Dear students, today I am going to discuss Module 5, Industrial Drives and Application. The title of the module is Synchronous Motor Drive, and under this module we are going to discuss Variable Reluctance Stepper Motor. So, before going to the Variable Reluctance Stepper Motor, first you should know what is meant by stepper motor. Okay, we know that stepper motor has stator and rotor. Okay, so stepper motor, it does not contain brushes. Okay, it is a brushless DC motor. Stepper motor, we can say it is a brushless DC motor. And here the stepper motor having stator and rotor. So stator has winding and rotor is not having windings. Okay, and also the stepper motor can be called as step motor or stepping motor. Okay, step motor or stepping motor, and we can call the stepper motor as a special machine which rotate in discrete angular step in response to the programmable sequence of the electrical input. Okay, and here what are the applications of stepper motor means, the application of the stepper motor is printer, tape driver, IC fabrications, and so many applications. Stepper motor finds so many applications, and we know that the stepper motor works on the principle that the magnetic interaction takes place between the rotor and the stator, which makes the rotor move. Okay, so what the stepper motor actions, how the stepper motor works. The stepper motor works on the principle that the magnetic interactions takes place between the rotor and the stator, which makes the rotor move. Okay, so here this is a variable reluctance stepper motor is one of the classifications of your stepper motor. The stepper motors are classified into variable reluctance type stepper motor, permanent magnet stepper motor, and hybrid type stepper motor. Here in variable reluctance stepper motor means here the stepper motor is having without magnet. Okay, without magnet, the without permanent magnet, we can call it as a variable reluctance stepper motor. And now coming to this variable reluctance stepper motor, sometimes this variable reluctance stepper motor can be called as VR motor. Okay, so already I told that here what is the principle of this variable reluctance stepper motor means, magnetic material field experience a force to align it in a path of minimum reluctance. Okay, we should know what is meant by reluctance. Reluctance is nothing but a magnetic resistance, and is nothing but a concept in the analysis of magnetic circuit. Reluctance is nothing but a magnetic resistance, and here reluctance means it is a concept in the magnetic, that is a concept in the analysis of magnetic circuit. Okay, that is nothing but reluctance. And already I said that the stator as windings and this rotor has no windings. Okay, the stator has windings and the rotor has no windings. And here the stator phase are excited by the current pulse to establish a magnetic field. Okay, to establish a magnetic field. Now this variable reluctance stepper motors are classified into again single stack variable reluctance stepper motor, multi stack variable reluctance stepper motor. Okay, single stack variable reluctance stepper motor, multi stack variable. And coming to this point, reluctance, how we are going to define the reluctance means the ratio of magnetomotive force to magnetic flux. That is, the reluctance will be given by um, the ratio of magnetomotive force, that is R is equal to F divided by pi. Okay, so magnetomotive force to the magnetic flux, this is your this one. reluctance, the definition. And here the stator windings, okay, the stator windings are arranged in series, okay, the stator windings are arranged in series. And now this is the four pace, four pace, actually we are having four paces, and two pole variable reluctance. Four pace two four, that is 4 bar 2 pole variable reluctance means you are having four stator poles and two rotor poles. That's why it is called as a 4 bar 2 pole variable reluctance stepper motor. And here this the single stack variable reluctance stepper motor is shown. And here the four paces, here the all these paces A, B, C, D, all the phases are energized by using the semiconductor switches. Okay, all the phases are energized by using the semiconductor switches. Okay, that is SA, SB, SC. When if you want to excite a phase in a clockwise direction, the order will be A, B, C, D, A. If you want to excite the phases in anti-clockwise direction, then your then it will be A, D, C, B, like that. And here actually here the rotor will rotate 90 degree. When each excitation, the rotor will rotate 90 degree in clockwise direction. Okay, now coming to this point, if you want to excite 90 degree to 45 degree, how we are going to excite means A plus B, B plus C, C plus D, D plus A, like that. Like that only are going to excite, means that here the step angle, how we are going to step angle, find the step angle means ns minus nr, that is number of stator poles divided by number of rotor poles divided by ns into nr into 360 degree. So this will give the step angle. Okay, so we know that stator is how many poles? 4. Rotor is how many poles? 2. So 4 minus 2 divided by 4 into 2. So that I told here what is the step angle. Here step angle is 90 degree. Here step angle is 90 degree. If you want to make half step, you are going to excite in this way, and the rotation will be takes place for each excitation. The rotation will be takes place 45 degree. This is about your stepper motor. And another stepper motor, another type of stepper motor. Here see 8 pole 8 bar 6 pole stepper motor means 8 stator poles and 6 rotor poles. Here the step I already told 8 minus 6 divided by 8 into 6 into 360 degree. So now the angle, the step angle will be is equal to 15 degree. So for each excitation, each phase excitation, the moment of the rotor will be 15 degree. If you want to make a half step rotation, then what you will do, you have to do A plus B plus B, B plus B, C, like that you are going to excite. Okay, then the half rotation will be 7.5 degree. Okay, so this is about your variable reluctance stepper motor for single stack stepper motor. Okay, thank you students. Next class I will discuss about the multi stack stepper motor.